it turns out that the creators of this channel and even of this video right now, even the person controlling me, Jesus, you're such a jerk. I hate you. Well, it's not my fault, Jesus. So they turned out to not give me a plot for the last video that we did not upload because it was so trash because it did not have a plot. They didn't give me one. So now I'm just angry at everything, and I'm just gonna be walking through nature and just yell at everything in sight. Let's go, guys. I hate you, bush! I hate you, sand! And I especially hate you, you shed! I think I'm feeling better. I hate you! Jesus. I don't like you too much either. I hate you! I hate you.
Well, sorry, it's not my fault. Actually, no, it is. Because I'm like the, I don't even know.
Yeah, exactly. So, I hate you, rocks. I hate you, tumbleweed. If you even are a tumbleweed, who knows? Who knows? I still don't like you, no matter what you are. Let's go. I hate you. Almost made me fall. I hate you, because you're in the way. And I especially hate you, because in the last video, you made me get my leg caught in your thorns. I don't like you. I do not like you, especially you. It still hurts. I hate you, tree. You're a waste of space. Some people might say, oh, they give us oxygen. But no, you are a dead tree. You are dead. You have no purpose on this earth.
Yo, Greg, I think he's still alive. Even if it is a he.
You just assume his gender. This is why I hate you so much. This is why I don't like you so much. Dead or not, I still hate that tree. He's still not my friend. So I don't like him. He still never gave me a plot, so I don't like him. We wasted 10 minutes on that other video that we couldn't upload because it didn't have a plot. And guys, I wonder what that video was, huh? I wonder. Maybe you guys would have seen it if these two numbnuts didn't, if actually gave me a plot. So, I don't know why you're so angry at us, man. I don't know. I wonder why. Because I haven't said that 10 times in this video yet. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, you haven't. So, I don't know. Ah! Ah! Is it just me or are our voices sound similar? I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, I don't either. Wait a minute. Oh. 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 Wait. Is he a puppet? Or
I think he might be a puppet.
I think, dude, I don't think he's actually a real monkey at this point. I think I might be controlling him, and I haven't realized it yet. Are we even humans? Or are we just puppets? Oh my god.
I'm rethinking my life.
Oh my god. What if God is like controlling us and we're all his puppets?
What if the CIA is controlling God and PewDiePie is controlling the CIA?
Oh my god.
But then YouTube is controlling PewDiePie. And then T-Series is controlling YouTube.
Oh god. So basically T-Series controls the world, guys. Is T-Series better than PewDiePie?
No, that can't be.
It can't.
It can't.
But is it though? Is it, Greg? Guys, I have to be honest with you. I've been working with T-Series for all of my life. And I only came up with you guys. I only I only came into your guys' life so to convince you that you could sub to T-Series. Ah! Ah!
I hate you!
I hate you too! Don't leave me, guys. Let's go. Don't leave me. No. No.
He deserved it.
You do.
He really did.